Alyssa bought a ukulele today.
Hey!
She's gonna be a pro in a month.
That's right. C. C. G.
That was a pretty quick chord change, I'm proud.
Wrong
way. Nope, just strum it.
F. No. Wait, it's the first one, right?
First fret.
First fret.
Third string from the top.
Third string.
Mm-hmm.
You're right. I
Second
do that
fret.
every time.
You're right.
Then the second.
There you go. That's
Nice.
right there.
Aloha.
It looks beautiful. Yes, tomorrow's Candace's birthday. Guess how old she's turning?
There's so many cameras in Happy birthday
To you,
Happy birthday, dear Candace. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so cute.
You're 22.
Taylor Swift would be so proud.
Yes.
That song today.
Okay.
blast it.
If you notice that it has all the colors, because
All your favorites.
we don't want any colors to be left out.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so cute.
It's the whole experience. Also, the Eagles want go Eagles.
It's a great birthday.
It's time. Feeling 22. Everything will be alright. You keep me next to you. You know about me. But I bet you want to.
Yeah, pop some in my knee.
You're only 22. It hasn't even been a week. Oh my god.
Shall we? This is our house. Yes, we are extremely blessed. I'm gonna give you all a house tour.
Which one is the clipper?
It's not in there, it's right here.
What is this?
This one. That's for your cuticles.
That is a tool of torture.
Cuticles?
Sorry. I have to also look cold.
She locked me out.
Can't come in.
The door is really hard to open, so we have to use a string. But it's okay. We're safe.
Shelby security system.
Yep.
SSS.
All right, so I say house, and yes, we have a house. We're blessed. The end. Okay, this is the living room. Front door. This is the dining room. Oops. Boom. That's our fruit. Kitchen. Raquel. Shelby. Shelby's room. Another another dining room. This is my room. I sleep by myself. I don't know how I swung that, but here we are. This is a bathroom down here. And then up the stairs we go. This room, I don't know who sleeps in here. I don't ever come up here. But there's a balcony up here. Oh my gosh. How do I get in? Never been out here before. Holy moly, that's pretty. Ten out of 10, yes. Then in here we have a bathroom. Pretty normal. This is another bedroom. Again, I have no idea who sleeps in here. Then up here, on this side we have another bedroom. Stage. Then over here we have another bathroom. this room has laundry. We have a washing machine right there. Lots of natural light. And this is actually open, so you can see down in the courtyard. Then over here is a bedroom that Candace does yoga, and I think some quiet times happen. There's a loft up here, but I've never been up there, so let's do it. That is a lot of dead flies. I don't know if you can see it. That's gross. Then down these stairs we go. All right guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye.